Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Sarah and today I will be showing you some ideas of projects that you can start in the beginning of the year and finish towards the end of the year so that you can have a way to remember this special year. And these are all creative projects, but you don't need to be an artist or a professional painter or anything to start any of these projects. So the first idea will be a temperature blanket. I know many people do this, but you can do it in multiple ways. So basically a year temperature blanket is a project where you crochet or knit a row of a blanket each day for a year using a color that corresponds to the day's high temperature. And there are many ways to do it. You can do one row each day or one row each week. So if you don't knit, this second option will be best for you. So what you want to do is take a canvas and draw 365 circles, and each day of the year you want to paint that little circle with either the temperature, so it's the same way that a year temperature blanket will be, or with your emotions. Here are some charts and templates of what it would look like. But yeah, I think it's a very fun way to remember your year and how you've done throughout the year. Moving on to more simple ideas that you don't need any art materials for. You only need your phone. So the third option would be to take a picture of your garden or any part of nature that you have available to you near your house, and you want to make sure that the camera is always in the same position so that you can see how nature evolves throughout the year. And I think it's very pretty to see maybe like the same year during the fall and then during the winter or the summer. And yeah, it's just a very nice way to remember how nature evolves. With these pictures you can do a stop motion video so that you can see like the evolution. The fourth idea is to take a 1-second video of your life each day, and in the end of the year you want to like put them all together and see just small moments of your day. I think it's a very special way to remember your year and go back to those memories in the form of a video and not just pictures. I know many people post this on social media, and there are many ideas and templates even. So yeah. The fifth idea will be to take a picture every single day of the year. Sometimes we obsess over taking the best picture, and I think that if you take one picture every single day of the year, in the end you will have so many good pictures to choose from without being obsessed with always taking the best picture. And I would advise you to take pictures of literally everything. It can be an object, a human being, an animal, just anything that makes you happy or that makes you feel something. And yeah, just in the end of the year choose the best pictures, the ones that you like the most. And I think it's a beautiful way to remember the year through memories in that way. For this sixth option, what you want to do is take an empty jar and a lot of small pieces of paper, and every day of the year I want you to write in those pieces of paper something that you're grateful for. Put it in a jar and don't open it until the end of the year or the next year. And then the next year you will have one piece of paper with something that you have been grateful for every single day to read. And yeah, I think it's a great way to reflect on the year and all the things that we have and maybe we take for granted or we forget that we have. And last but not least, the seventh idea that I have for you is to create a drawing journal. So instead of writing about your day, in the end of the day I want you to draw something. It can be a very simple illustration, you can go full artist mode and make a great drawing or a painting or whatever you want, or it can be just like a small doodle, but something that shows how you feel or what you want to say, just without words, with a little drawing. And yeah, I think in the end of the year you will have so many small drawings to look back at, and maybe you will find inspiration from all those drawings to do something even bigger. I hope this video was helpful for you and that you enjoyed it, and thank you so much for watching.